Okay, second game po tayo mga boss, mga madam. Okay. Unahin po natin ang ilang muna. Okay, ano muna tayo? Tanggalin na po natin to. Unang natatapos na. This is your Aviation and Dave Friendly Double sa Flying League. First, we'll thank the following sponsors, Team LB Sana Padala and Thread the Needles. Sa po natin yung SBB Ara and PSBG Basketball League. Of course, ito ba ating participating teams? Cabin Line, The Hub, Oryx, CAS, Inflights, Airport United, Boleros, of course, Core Towers, Freighters, Sky Team, and Mechanicos. This is still the eliminations and second game for tonight po sa ating Friday night basketball action will be played between Sky Team and Oryx Basketball. At mamaya po is Airport United and Mechanicos. Pero dito muna mag-enjoy muna po tayo dito sa Sky Team and Oryx Basketball. So, ito, maganda po ito. Press time po pare po ito. At both teams must win para para maganda ka ng placing. Dex, sila ka na, nasan? Ano ba? Bakasyon? Kailan babalik? Hindi na po ginagos. Sige po, ito po tayo, of course. Press time po pare po, press time. Press time pareho yan. Okay, let the games begin. Let the games begin po tayo po ngayon sa ating second game for tonight po between Oryx and the Sky Team. Bro, boss, ano status pa rin ng Philippine team natin sa basketball? Pasok ba sa world o hindi? Pasok? Pasok pa rin tayo. Wala bang volunteer para next year? Wala pa bang volunteer para yung dito kayo sa upo kayo dito.
Wala pang nilalabas. Magkano yan? Magkano nila?
Mag-volunteer ako.
Magkano yan kasi magkakaroon ng training saka mga rules.
Hindi, yung sa amin naman, yung activation center lang kami, magano'n. Yung sa upuan, o dito po yun, marami yung gano'n.
Ano yun? Kinokontractor yun.
Parang pit pa dati, di ba?
Parang mga side line. Yung mga marshal.
Yung mga gano'n. Yan na! Hoy, si JD, the sniper! You're late! Bola. Salamat. Okay, first quarter. Of course, si Riol, si Cloyd, si number 20, at si Dex. Sa panabay si Trapal. Sa kabilang po, dyan, of course, si Al-En Lim, si Ariaso, si Marasigan, si Scott, at to complete now, of course, si Golden Boy Bulawan. Okay, Golden Boy Bulawan is in the house. Yan. Ito, magandang laban po ito. Ito for the placing din to. The win of this game will improve its standings. Yan, sa Final 4, sa Upper 4. And of course, yung loser po, may pong bumagsak po sa Lower 4 po. Yan. Okay, Royal versus Marasigan sa kanilang opening tip-off. Marasigan, first top ng Dongkagad. Nandun si Scott. Naku, malakas ang pasa kay Scott. Balik ang bola. Cloyd Abrigana, binaba ang bola. Binaba ang bola kay Dex. Abrigana for 3. Pasok ang bola kay Abrigana. 3 points. Nothing but net kay Abrigana. Josh. Binatong bola kay Bulawan. Easy to by Bulawan. 2 points kagad. 9:29 remaining. Binababa ang bola. And to Mr. Riol, the big man. Of course, si Cloyd Abergana, the big guard. Nandyan si Dex. Sa ilalim, nice pass. Binado, nahirapan. Escat, naka-rebound. Escat against Trapal. Escat, grabbing Shong. Nice pass. Nandun si Al-Ain Lim. And si Carriazo for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. And binaba ang bola ngayon. Eto na po tayo. Hop, si Daisy. Kainin ng bola po, boss. Represes. Tumama sa hita ni Arnel. Ni Trapal. Natama sa sa Trapal. Laki Trapal. Uy! Ouch! Big Jeff, shoutout kay sa SSB Doha, Alex Kamandag, Toto ng Great ng Alaguna, Pangil, Natividad Chapter. Okay. Escat. Pumunta siya si Marasigan. The big man, Escat, Vincent Ipet, Escat, grabbing strong. Nawala pa rin. Ayun na, Carriazo, labas muna raw. Marasigan, running shot, no good. Marasigan muli. Nandiyan si Escat, bangs it in. 2 points. Nice help. 4-3. Riol, wala. Rebound, Marasigan. Out of bounds. Anel Trapal, driving, kick pass, Abergana, Riol, pops up, wala, rebound by Foul. Escat, hounded. Escat, binababola. Nandun, still completed. Palpal. Battered. Yun lang. Uy! Wala pa rin. Abergana. Sa ilalim. Labas mo na raw. Walang pinasahan. Josh. Malakas. Al-Ain Lim nakapasok. Naka-rebound sa Al-Ain Lim. The score is 4-3. Escat. Sabi, ano muna daw tayo? Pep lang. And Escat, nandun si Bulawan, malakas ang pasa, pero may Josh na pumahon. Again po kay Big Jeff says, shoutout kay SBP Dohat, Alex Kamandag, at Tot, the Great ng Laguna, Pangil, Natividad Chapter. Okay. Second shot, Bulawan, 6:23 remaining. Basket, no good. Rebound battle won by Oryx. Ayan na siya. And Carriazo, Jorens, wala. Royol naka-rebound. Abergana, no good. Rebound, Marasigan. Ayan na, 2-on-1, 2-on-2. 2-on-2, Carriazo, wala. Rebound, Bulawan, malakas. Nandun si Dex. Nice steal. Wala. Rebound, Bulawan. Meron. Pasok. Sorry. James Manapat is watching. 5:40 remaining. 6-3 ang score. Abergana. Labas mo na raw. Abergana. Gumawa ng pick. Nice pass. Pops up. Dex. Nope. Arnel Trapal. 2 points. Escat naman. Escat. Just 5 tayo. Bringing the every trick from the book. From Escat. Every trick from the book. Lahat ng kinakailangan gawin, dapat gagawin dapat dito ngayon. Okay, second po, of course, nandiyan this JD the Sniper, si Chu Deluxe, siyempre si Britol, and of course, nandiyan din si Labrado. Kablang of course, nandiyan si Enteng, si number 21, si Jawadi, si Bryle, at si number 88.
Okay, ready?
Okay, Enteng. Number 21, binaba ang bola. Joe Gamel is watching. 5:03 remaining. Pop shot, nope, ayaw. Eunod. Naipit. Nandun. Labrado, binaba ang bola. Labrado. In and out. Biton, malakas. Enteng, naka-rebound. Di ba Enteng? Enteng, naka-rebound. Enteng, Gokotano. Ento Jawari. Out. Enteng, 2 points. 6-7. Lamang po ang Sky Team. JD. Pops up. Nope. Malimig pa. Rebound. Breton. Palpal. Huerta. Binabantayan. Bryle. Naiwan mag-isa. Pops up. Wala. Rebound. JD. Labrado to JD. JD again. Out of bounds. 6-7 pa rin score po natin. 3:43 remaining. Arnold. 21. Arnold. Pinasa. Wala. 21. Pops up. Wala. Huerta. Senyor Huerta naka-rebound. Chudelax. Huerta. Chudelax, ilalim. Uy! Chudelax, wala pa rin. Pop! Si Daisy, no foul.
Okay,
Sky Team call for the timeout. Sky Team call for the timeout. Okay mo, kinakailang i-map muna po nila mo. May kailangan mag-adjustments yata. Kaya tumakal for the timeout ng Sky Team. Okay, back to the ball game. Inbounding po ang Oryx basketball playing Brown. Breton, pops up. Tapos, ayun lang, Chudelax. Huerta. Nawala ang bola. Labrado, Arnold. Wala. Rebound, oy. Number 21 called for the foul. Medyo evident po talaga po ang height difference ng both teams, if you notice. That's why they should compensate for speed naman sa Sky Team.
Number 6.
JD pops up.
JD.
No good.
Wala pa rin.
Arnold. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 3 called for a foul. Shooting for 2. Out. Second shot, jumper shooting. Nope. Rebound, Breton. Ayun, Huerta. 2 points, Huerta. Senyor Huerta, 2 points. Ang El Matador. The El Matador of Oryx basketball team.
Number 20.
And now ito, Jawari. Huerta against Gokotano. Gokotano lost the ball almost. And still completed. Briton. Nice. Uy! Nice hustle play. Arnold. And to Enteng. 2 points Enteng. Step back.
Grabe yun. Malakas mo. Parang scan.
And to JD. JD sniping. 2 points JD. Ayaw niyang kunin sa labas. Sa loob na daw siya kukuha. And si Gokotano naman. Gokotano. And 1 play kay Gokotano. Sumabit. Nasabit si
Okay, basket count.
basket count para kay Gokotano. The score is 10-11. Tumama. Gokotano pops up. No good. Rebound. Labrado. Kickball kay Labrado. One minute remaining. Jawari. 10-11 ang score po natin. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound. Arnold. Wala pa rin. Rebound JD. Labrado na naman. Labrado. JD. Nope. It's Briton. Foul called.
Number 21.
Briton, number 3, shooting for 2. Wala. Okay, to tie the ball game. Pops up. It's out. Rebound, Gokotano. Rebound. Gokotano, nagmamadali. Gokotano, pops up. No good. Rebound, Briton. Foul again. Back-to-back fouls. Ilan na yun? Ilan na yun? 18 seconds remaining. Sunod-sunod pa niya. Senyor Huerta, El Matador. Huerta, in and out lang. Sayang. Ang El Matador. Up! Wala na! Okay, change. Second quarter na po tayo. 10-11 score po natin.
Pasok.
White ball daw, white ball.
Tayo, white basketball. White basketball, defense. Scan, defense kayo. White basketball.
Okay, si Cloyd Abregana for the inbound along with of course si Boss Mike, si Dex, si Riol at si wala na, yun lang. Uy, si Trapal. Cloyd Abregana, scaling defense. Nice D. Nandun si Scott kagad. It's Scott. Nandun si Pulintan. 2 points Pulintan. 2 points. 9:38 remaining. Riol. Dex. Mike. Woo! What a pass! Ano yun? Riol. Okay, easy to by Riol. No. Uy! Matibay katawan ni Arnel. Trapal. Cloyd Abregana. Nope. Rebound, Riol. Nope. It's Pulintan. or Darkas. Scott Nas. Lato-lato yung dalaw. And Riol. 2 points Riol. Okay, 12-13. Darkas. Scott sa ilalim. Tapos, no foul, no foul, no foul. Ayan na naman, dalawang duo, dynamic duo. Riol. 2 points again. Time out muna. Mukhang di maganda. Okay, after a minute and 40, the score is 12-17. Laman po ang Sky Team. Please take note po, ito po is for the placing. Of course, kung sino po ang manalo po dito, maganda, it will strengthen its hold po para po sa upper 4. Ang matatalo po dito po siya, babagsak po siya po sa lower 4. Okay? May posible siya bumagsak po sa lower 4. Ha? Okay, doon po the bola. Second quarter action, 8:20 remaining. 12-17, Pulintan. Binaba ang bola ni Pulintan. Darkas. Nope. Deck. Trapal, Kapos. Riol. Wala, malakas. Rebound, Al-Ain Lim. Uy, pala pinasahan. And to the Abregana. Holding foul on Oryx. Marasigang call for a foul. 12-17 score po natin at 7:56 remaining. Riol. Dex. Tagdog. Darkas. Mali pinasa. Malakas ang pasa. Balik ang bola. Mike. Kay Abregana muli. Number 3. 7:27 remaining. James Ariel is watching. Third General is also watching.
14 seconds.
And now to Riol. Pinasa muna kay Mike. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound battle Marasigan. And Limcaco. 2 points. Golens. Okay lang. Darkas against Dex. Lumayo muna. Nandun si Scott. Scott again. Scott. Wala. And okay, same ball po tayo. Nice guard by Abregana. Uy! Same ball pa rin. Baba ang bola. Ayan na, Marasigan, 40-17. Tatlo ng pakalamangan yan. Scott for 3. Ayaw. Driving shot. Scott. Wala pa rin. Scott, ang rebound. Dope. It's white shirts. Abregana. Foul. Di ata na kanina. Di na yung support Abregana. Di siya nag-shoot ngayon. Abregana shooting for 2. 6 minutes remaining. It's out. Second shot, jumper shot po tayo. Tapos, rebound, Al-Ain Lim. Pulintan sa kay Pulintan. Naipit. Limcaco against Riol. Marasigan muli. Down.
Number 25. First foul.
First foul on number 25. That's Dex. Scott. 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 2 points Scott. 60-17 by Scott. Riol, binabang bola, Riol. McCloskey is watching already. And Anel Felipe is also watching. Dex pops up. Out of bounds. Okay, palit-palit po tayo. Change pair po tayo mga boss.
Okay, ready. Season na yan. Season lang yan.
Change pair po tayo. Of course, nandiyan po si JD. Si JD. Sino pa? Wala naman na. Of course, si Gokotano, si Bryle, si Jawadi, si number 21, at si number 30. Si Josh. And of course, balik po tayo. Si Labrado. Of course, si Chudilax. Si Cariaso, si JD, at si, of course, si Golden Boy Bulawan. And Bulawan for 3, ayaw. Cariaso. Thanks it in. Okay, Cariaso mukhang find this its mark already. At 4:40 remaining. Jawari. Uy! Ay!
Okay, ready. 4 minutes.
4 minutes, 4 minutes. Pops up again, Cariaso. Tapos, Bulawan. It's Jawari. Jawari, haras. And to Aerold. Aerold. No good. Rebound, Cariaso. Cariaso. Uy! JD! Malakas ang pass. Malakas ang Pectus. Gokotano. Pops up. Okay. Easy 2. Tabla. 19 all. Labrado pa rin. Pops up, Chudilax. Nope. Backs out. Josh. Harold. Out of bounds. This is interesting already. 2:55 remaining. Labrado. Uy! Sayang. Foul. Foul on
30 foul. 34 na po ano.
Foul on Bulawan.
Anti-foul. Ng Orex. Number 7. Juwan. Number 20.
Juwari. Bukotano.
5 seconds. Shot lang na! Nag-buzzer tayo! Shot na! Nangyari! Hindi lang narinig. Nag-buzzer ako. Nag-buzzer ako.
Buzzer. Shot clock violation. Shoutout sa aming Viva Max Director Al Aindin. Ano ba yan?
Okay. Ay, Elis ka na.
Balik tayo. 1:54 remaining.
Okay, ready.
Eto na.
Number 17. Pass down and more. Bulawan.
JD.
JD.
Bangs it in. Ganun lang. Ginang asintahan ng kayong kalaban. And now to Jawari. No, still completed. Cariaso, Labrado, Jolen. Jawari again to Aerold. No good. No bounce.
JD again.
JD the sniper. JD.
Sayang na sayang.
Sayang. Noel Bison is watching. Jane. Ithan is watching. Oy, Jane, where are you? They played first game, Pure Towers. You know, you're not there. And Bryle. No good. Rebound, JD. Eto naman siya. Nandun si Bryle. Wala. 37 seconds remaining.
Okay, ready. Wow, wala.
Wow!
Number 20. Number 20. Ready, push shot by Navarro. Magaling yata yan. Wow! Magaling yata. One more. Ready, push shot. Ready, jumper.
Basket made.
Number 15.
Josh. Harold. Wala pa rin. Oh, walang tawak. Dito nawakan. Di nawakan.
Last. Bago na lang pa rin. Wala na shot na. Last shot na yan. Then.
Traveling call.
2 seconds. Ready. Idol, bigyan na
2
tayo.
seconds remaining.
2 seconds. 2 seconds na yan. 2 seconds.
Harold, binabantayan. Sige. JD! Sayang. Okay, after 2 quarters po, laman po ng 6 ang Oryx basketball team.
Picture. Scan, picture mo na kayo. Picture. Oryx, go inside. Take picture before start the third quarter. Picture po tayo, white. Picture. White. White team. Picture lang po daw bago magsimula ang third quarter. Okay? Already na yung next 5. Scott. First 5 na ulit. Pasok.
Okay, third quarter po tayo. I think merong bibigyan ng penalty free throws. Ilan sila? 1, 2, 1 lang. Return. Wala. 1 lang yata binigay. 1 nga lang.
Okay, di tayo. Wala naman dyan po. Maroon.
Okay, third quarter action. Of course, si Abrigana. No, it's sorry. It's Pulintan will make the inbound. Pulintan number 4. And now to Breton. Pinasok. De El Matador Huerta. 2 points. The Matador strikes again. El Matador, Senyor Huerta. Binabang bola Ito na. Cloyd Abrigana. Cloyd. Hoop. Cloyd, daawa. Ayun! JD, binapabola. JD. Still completed by Cloyd Abergana. Cloyd. Nakalusot. 2 points, Cloyd. Okay, from 8 points now down to 6 points muli po ang lamang ng Oryx, Pulintan to Breton. Ayun, Darkas, malakas ang Pectus.
Ano ba yan? Bakit na tayo ko niya?
8:53 remaining. Cloyd Abergana. Nagtitumon ngayon sa Sky Team. Brian, Cloyd Abergana. Cloyd Abergana kumuha ng pick. Cloyd Abergana now. Huerta, foul! Nice foul by Huerta.
Foul number 5.
Cloyd Abergana shooting for 2.
Okay, ready. Last.
No good. Rebound Pulintan. Nope. Same ball.
Ready.
Same ball. Riol, Jolens, wala. Darkas to Huerta. Ayun. Nice hustle play. And now to Gokotano, to Riol. 2 points and 1 play pa. Naku po.
Foul number 5 basket count.
Nice one by Riol. 27-23.
Okay, subdivision.
Riol, pops up. Wala. Cloyd, Abergana, to Riol again. Riol, magpo 4 point yata. Pops up. Abergana, no good. Rebound, JD the sniper. Pupulintan. Darkas. Ayun lang. Intercepted. Gokotano. Nawala ang pasa. Wala pa rin. Darkas! Naku, sayang. May foul, sabi ng referee, sumabit daw. Referee says, sumabit daw siya, sabi ng referee. Nasabit daw, nasabit.
Foul 1, number 25. Basket number 97.
Darkas, 2 points. 20-23. Ito naman siya. Ito naman Abergana. Foul! Sabi ng referee naman. Kenneth Roger Yanesa. Sky Team lang ang sakalam. Okay, good. Referee says, foul daw talaga. Okay, balik tayo. Gokotano for the inbound. Please take note po, ang winner po nito will strengthen its hold. Please take note po, ang mananalo po dito po will strengthen its hold po sa upper 4. At the same time, matatala po dito, can bari siya bumagsak po sa lower 4 po ng quarterfinals.
Sorry, ha?
Okay, JD, labas muna. Uy!
Wala yan. May plan tayo dyan, idol. May wakil ka dyan.
And Breton, nagmamadali, Breton!
Wow, galing.
Breton, 2 points. Gokutano. Gokutano, wala. Creating space, ayaw. Riol. Rebound, Chudilac. Darkas. Marasigan. Marasigan. Wala pa rin. Marasigan. Marasigan, malakas. Woo! Nice D. Ito naman, Pulintan. Darkas. 2 points, Darkas, 2 points. And Gokutano, nagmamadali. Gokutano against two brown shirts. Still completed. Dope! Hindi na ipasa. Gokutano against Marasigan. Pops up. Dang, Shirin! .401 remaining. Patatapos na po ang third quarter. 3 minutes remaining. Magpa-fourth quarter na po.
Sino? Bukas na siya.
Airport United and Mechanicals, where na you? Dito na mi. Okay,
40 seconds.
Riol. No good. Rebound again, Darkas. Briton. Pow! Okay, papasok muli po ang tatlo. Okay, Briton, gugin kay Briton. Labas muna rin si Napulintan. Papasok siyempre si Labrado. And Sky Team, medyo nagulo po. Nagstanga po siya. Sir Kenneth, Roger Yanesa. The score is 35-25. Oryx basketball team po.
The score is 25-35. Remaining time 3 minutes. Okay, ready? Back to the game. Okay, ready. Okay, ready. Takbo niya, sabi ni Pulintan pa. Okay, ready.
Naprita 3:26 remaining.
Our name
Escat. Bulawan, 2 points. Nice pass by Scott from Tubulawan. Brigana. Foul! Okay. Limcaco.
39.
Limcaco, 89, foul.
Sino foul? 89.
89, Limcaco. Bryle, nope, it's a Brigana, pops up. Pasok.
Wow!
Benga. Bang. Hoy, Airport United, Mechanical, swear niyo, dito na mi. Magpo-fourth quarter na, nasa na kayo? Limcaco, wala. Chudilac, Tobis Limcaco. Uy! Technical foul!
Sa Pedro, may walang patay.
Walang papalakpak daw kasi. Scott using the Ebert game in the book. Limcaco, 89, pops up. Pasok.
Wow!
And of course, bola pa po ng Oryx basketball team.
Okay, ready?
Ito tayo, Labrado. Kumuha ng pick.
10 seconds.
Labrado to Scott. Pops up. Bang! 3 points si Scott. Shoutout po sa Oryx basketball team. Watching from sideways.
10 seconds.
Ayan na, Labrado on the foot race. Labrado, no, Pisa Brigana. And nice one point na pal. Ito, Scott, 2 points si Scott.
Galing talaga. Okay.
Who's foul rep? Okay, Labrado. Umamin si Labrado.
Third red foul. Wala pa, malayo pa. Both teams, third red foul, ha? Both teams.
Riol.
Number 28, Ulam J.
Wala pa. Ayan na, Limcaco.
Oh, yan ang
Iskat na naman, iskat na naman. Iskat, iskat. Iskat, 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 iskat. No! Limcaco traveling violation. Nabigla. Nabigla si Limcaco. Bola! Enteng, mag-isa! Take two.
Okay, sack position. One for penalty. Oryx. Italian, no.
No.
Ready. Already rin na, ha? Matapos na itong ating third quarter. Pasok na ang Camino. Ano, basket. Good. Tapos sila na.
Bate rin sa bate.
Kuha ng pick. Labrado. Labrado. Sino pinapasahan mo nun? Walang pinapasahan si Labrado. Walang pinapasahan si Labrado.
Loud.
Riol in and out. Foul on Trapal.
Oh, number 10. Wala pa. Warning for penalty.
22 seconds remaining.
Ready.
Bes, sama bes. Sabay, sabay.
Doon tayo.
Kabila naman.
24. Okay.
Limcaco to Scott. Scott.
10 seconds.
Limcaco, kumuha ng pick. Scott. Enteng nakalusot. Scott. Scott, foul! Use.
Number 10, your second foul. Big push up by Mr. Scotty Pippen. Grabe, shooter tayo. Shooter talaga siya. Pangalawa na wala yan sa akin. Scott, pangalawa na yan. Pero inaano kita.
Ano yun? Okay, third quarter na sa po.
Grabe, pero pangalawa ka lang sa shooting. Pangalawa ka lang, Scott. Shooter ka, pero pangalawa ka lang. Okay? Grabe, Scott. Hindi pinasa. Ang sarili.
This is your Adventure Point Doubles Flying League. Welcome to the following sponsors. Ito pa ating participating teams.
Hey.
At ito na po ang ating fourth and final quarter action now between Oryx and the Sky Team. Okay, ang ano po dito, both teams has to win this game to cement their place in the upper four. If not, may posible sila po bumagsak po sa bottom, sa lower four po. Maraming salamat po. White ball daw, white ball, white ball. Kaya magandang ano yan, magandang ano ito. Okay, Claude Begana for the inbound. Boss Cloyd. Of course, with Riol. And of course, si Dex, si Brian at si Anuel Tapal. Dilabas muna yung mga ano, yung mga stalwarts nila. Dex. Traveling boss.
Okay, sana. Continuous motion tayo. Scott. May donor ng 7. Yung ID ko nasa pito, Mr. Disco. Basicality. Grabe yun, point guard. Baba na! Cloud. Si Cloud.
Pops up Floyd. Look.
Yes! Wala.
Rebound, JD.
Ayan na, Scott. Ayan, patay. Alam na din.
Scott.
Wow, galing.
Nice one, Carriazo. Pasok.
Galing. Galing talaga mga set. Ay, bispo daw, tabay.
Royol. Palpal. Still completed almost. Next. Ayun na kay Scott. Tapo ng bola.
Scott naman. Wow.
Nandun sa Brigana. Ang Brigana. Palpal. Oy, traveling doon. Dumikit. Dikit, sabi ng referee.
Okay, ready. Number 3 to number 6.
JD. Whoop. JD. Wanna pick. JD. There's a switch. Scott. Pops up. Nope. Uy. Wala na. Out of bounds.
Pangalawa lang ulit.
Out of bounds. 47-29. 8 minutes remaining. An 18-point lead advantage being posted by the Onyx.
Wala pa rin.
Iba rin JD.
To number 10.
Kick pass kay Breton. Nandun si Trapal.
Ayan na. To number 25. Number 25.
Dex. Nawala ang bola kay Dex.
Sayang mo, madulas. Subdivision. Okay, ready. Scott, pasok mo na daw. Baka na.
Binatong bola. Binatong kay JD.
Wow, ganda ng pasa.
Palpal.
Okay.
Nice guard. Nice guard, Babrigana.
Okay, ready. Okay na, JJ, baba ka na. JJ, baba na. Touch pa. Nakalaman na mga ulang. Number 20. Bayerin.
Right. Royal.
14 seconds.
Nandun. Nawala. Ayun na, gawa ng buko.
10
Ayun na.
seconds.
Dex. Oh, yun. Wow. No, it's traveling. Traveling called on Brian.
Okay, pasok daw. Okay.
Okay, kung Tano, papasok muna para kay Brian. Kinaka natin may magtitimon yata sa kanila. Ito na ano.
Ready. Scott, Metimon, the point guard ng Qatar. Yung kapanahon ng bata.
Scott nakalusot.
Wow!
Traveling violation ng Scott.
Wala na. Naipit ka eh. Number 25. Number 28.
Royol. Rebound, Carriazo, binababola.
So, using the ball. Oh! Nakakuha rin ang number 2. Gagandano. Ayan. Gagandano. Ganda ng depensa ni JD. Ganda ng pasa. Shit. 14 seconds. To number Cloud. Tingnan na. 10 seconds. Yun. Libre na. Nakashoot.
2 points.
Third one for the 7. 16 lead. Sige.
Scott 2 points.
Pag nakashoot daw sila.
Palpal.
Ayan na naman.
Ayan na naman si Scott.
Scotty. Grabe.
Scott 2 points.
Okay, time out.
And time out called by the Sky team for sure.
Galing, Scott. Scott, lumabas ka na. Masyado ka ng maraming score. Okay, back to the game. Grabe, ang dami lang ang pente dahil kay Scott. Galing-galing, Scott.
Ha? Hoy, Airport United, nasa na kayo?
Marami. Joke lang.
Airport United, where na you? Dito na sila. Dalawa pa lang, oh. Gokotano! Wala.
Number 10.
Trapal. Josh. Josh. Jolens. Wala. Foul.
Ball number 10. Okay, ready. First foul pa lang ng ano, white. Number 89. Wow, yan. Down.
Foul!
Okay. Number 77. Luka
Malaki.
Conchi. Your first foul.
Lakas ang lamok. Malaki ang talmok yun.
Rebound number 42. Pass ball yun. Okay, ready. Oy! Munti ka na number 10 seconds.
Three points in. Labrado on a foot race.
Uy!
Yun lang. Ayan na naman sila. Abrigana again. Back-to-back field goals. And time out call by Oryx. Mukhang nabubuhay po ang Sky Team. Sky Team, there's a resurgence.
The score is 37-51 naman ang Tulsa. Okay. Back to the game.
Okay, Scott.
Number 10, Rabio. Scotty.
Scott, pinapantay na Brigana. Scott. Uy, foul. Grabe na yun, Scott.
Kita-kita naman ng
Nice D by Brigana on Scott.
referee. Number 3, out.
Brigana. Driving. Slicing.
Yes.
Riol. Jolens may foul.
There's a foul. Number 6, JD. JD, your first foul. Second foul. At
Pasok.
Basket again. Dawson.
JD. Judilax. Last touch. Huh? Okay. Correction. 15, the score is 59-30 to 39. Okay, white ball.
Subdivision. Ready. Number 3. Galaw. Ganda. Libre-libre. Ganda ng galaw. Sinigay ni Scott. Ano ba yan? Sayang. Mataas sa pasli. Alam na this. Galing.
Scott 2 points. Pop sa Berbigan again. In and out. Riol. Power move. Malakas. Wala pa rin. Foul!
Okay, substitution. Sub. Ayaw pumasok, malas. Corner 52.
Uy!
Uy, hindi na. Tanong.
Ayan naman sila. Bokotano!
Kita may tipo.
Tactical!
Okay. Okay, technical. Kung tumama, ang technical mo, contact ko yan. Kaya technical. Kung tumama mo, may posibilidad na
Anspo.
tayo. Pag no contact, ang tawag ko technical ko. Pag may tama,
Technical foul of Bokotano.
pagkatama. May offensive, may
Ang Bokotano pa technical po siya dahil may umumang na foreign body. JD, wala naman pumasok. Tama sinabi niyo, no? Hop! Tama sinabi ni Mandap. Pag tumama kasi, posibleng merong offensive siya doon or posibleng anspo foul. Dito. Bulawan.
Ready?
Okay, sa Brigana. Nakalusot.
Galing. Point yan. Istilan yan.
Scott. Double team na rin.
Istilan yan. Galing yan.
Nice! Foul!
Number 14 is okay. Ball number 14. Okay, ready. Doon na tayo ba? Wala pa penalty. Malayo pa. Sir, ball pa lang.
Layo pa. No? Ilan ba? 53-39, 14 point advantage still. Enjoyed by Oryx basketball
Okay,
team.
ready.
Wala si Billy kasi. Wala si Bay. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound JD. Nice! Hustle play. Bryle. Abrigana, tingin 3.
Seconds.
Enteng. Uy! Down.
Number 27. Down muna tayo. Down. Wala tayo dyan. Wala pa penalty. Okay, ready. Sabay ang back. Sabay ang dribble sa back. Wala pa tayo penalty. Warning for penalty.
Abrigana for 3. Out. Enteng.
Nice move.
Enteng, wala. Oy. Easy lang, guys. Patapos no. Sign 24 seconds, oh.
Substitution. Sub. Number 77 now.
Okay, Chudilax, sabas muna.
Okay, 24
Nice game,
seconds.
Chudilax.
Huwag ka na magsimiskan.
Oh.
Okay, ready. Okay, sabay ka.
Okay, usap muna. 20 seconds, 4 seconds na lang yan, oh. Okay, referee King says, okay. Technical foul on 77. Shooting foul. Abrigana will go for the technical free throw.
Ready.
Abrigana. It's in. Okay. 24 seconds na lang yan, oh. 30 point lead advantage.
O, 13, hawak na lang.
13 na lang yan, oh. Okay, game. Final 24 seconds. Final 24 seconds of the fourth quarter action. Labrado. Okay.
10 seconds.
Uy!
Good. Okay, bigyan nyo na.
Enteng.
Okay, stop na po tayo. Okay.
Okay, that's
Ready.
okay. Tapos na po yan. Winner!
Okay, kamay-kamay.
Kamay po tayo, magkamay po tayo.
Winning by Oryx. The score is 40.
Final score, 53-40. Winner po yan po ang Team Oryx. Maraming salamat po. Magbabalik po sa third and final game po yan between Mechanicals and Airport United. Thank you very much.